doing your braces.
Yes.
And so we started off with your teeth with this picture.
Yeah.
And we ended up 11 months later with this picture.
Yeah. It affected me in every single way. Everyday life, confidence. But now the confidence is just unbelievable now that they've been changed and they're off. And it's just such a dramatic change.
And you were quite emotional last week when we took
I
the
was
pictures
really
off.
emotional. I think it's just because I've waited a long time for it. And I thought to take the plunge and do it, I didn't realise how much it would affect my confidence, and that has dramatically. I love them.
And they look great, and I
Thank
can
you.
see your 66
Yeah.
smiles now.
Love it.
I'm very
Yeah.
happy. And
Yeah.
if you had the chance, would you do it again?
100%. And I would recommend anyone to do it.